So today is demo day. I'm going to be taking this thing completely to pieces. Started it. You see I've got a missing bit of leg just here. You see that broken there? Oh, there's the other bit. So I'm going to bit by bit take this apart because I've got a lot of repairs to do. You see. Off we go. So good morning. Here is the detritus from yesterday's destruction, scattered liberally around the workshop. Not all of the joints will come undone, but I'm beginning to get somewhere. This is the biggest problem. I've got to get this completely out, and I've got to make a new rail because, don't know whether you can see it, but just down there it's actually split right through. So it's the wood that's given up, and that's going to need complete replacement, and it won't come out. So that's going to be today's little fun task.